If you want to make 2 columns in Mailchimp, this guide will walk you through it step by step so you can build cleaner, more organized email layouts in just a few minutes. 2 column layouts are great when you want to place text beside an image, show 2 offers side by side, or make your email look more polished and easier to scan. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the campaign section. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored, and it's the place you need to go if you want to edit an existing email design. Next, click on Campaigns. You'll see a list of your current email campaigns, drafts, and any other saved mailings. Find the email where you want to add the 2 column layout. When you locate it, click Edit next to that campaign. After that, Mailchimp will open the campaign settings and editing options. From here, look for the Edit Design button. Click on that to open the email builder. This is where you can change the structure of your email, add content blocks, and create the layout you want. Now you're inside the editor. To make 2 columns, scroll down through the available content blocks until you find the columns section. Mailchimp organizes these blocks so you can quickly build different types of email layouts without needing any code. Once you find columns, look for the 2 column option. Click on the 2 column layout and then drag and drop it into your email design where you want it to appear. You may want to place it near the top for a featured section or lower in the email for supporting content. As soon as you drop it in place, Mailchimp will create the 2 side-by-side columns for you. Now that the layout is added, the next step is to fill it with content. Click on Add Blocks so you can insert the elements you want inside each column. For example, you can add text on one side and an image on the other, or put buttons, headings, or product details into each section. This is what makes the 2 column layout so useful, because it helps you present information in a more balanced way. As you work, take a moment to review spacing, alignment, and overall readability. A good 2 column email should feel clean and easy to follow, not crowded. If the content is too long in one column, shorten it or adjust the layout so both sides look visually even. You can also preview your email to make sure it still looks good on desktop and mobile. That's really all there is to it. Go to Mailchimp, open your campaign, click Edit Design, scroll to Columns, choose the 2 column layout, drag it into place, and then add your blocks of content. In just a few steps, you can turn a simple email into a more professional looking design. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Mailchimp tutorials, email marketing tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.